What's good, family? It's me, Game Boy, back with a new video. And today we're going to be talking about the mind, body, and soul. First, it needs to be known that your mind, body, and soul are all important aspects of you. And if you don't exercise all three, then ascension is impossible. Starting with the body, everything that can be found in the universe on a large scale can be found or is reflected in the human body on a small scale. The human being, your body is the microcosm in contrast to the universe, which is the macrocosm. From a hermetic viewpoint, health is a complete harmony of the energies, aka the elements that work in the body. It's a prerequisite that before you do any spiritual or soul work, you must cater to your body. Work out, eat healthy, get to know your body, and treat your body right. And get your body right also. The next level is your soul or astral body. Your soul is the actual human being, the real you. Your soul is connected to your body through a tetrapolar magnet that's specific to your soul's attributes. The elements are also active in your astral body. We have five senses that correspond to the five elements. Your soul avails itself of the five senses, and by doing so, you get a clear perspective on the physical world. Without the spirit, the soul cannot exist. And without the soul, the third density level, aka physical life, will be lifeless. The body shows temperaments inwardly and can be hidden by the individual, but your soul shows temperaments outwardly. Your soul is the real you, so judge a man or woman by their soul. Judge a person by their soul because it's the real them. Fuck what they say. Forget what they say. Last but not least, we have the spirit or the mind. The body and soul are only shells or garments of the spirit. The spirit is immortal, undefinable, and the true image of God that we are all created in. The elements are active in the spirit as well. Fire is the will, air is the intellect, water is life and feeling, and earth is the unification of the other three elements, the I. Each aspect of yourself, your mind, body, and soul, all have a separate plane that they exist on. I'm gonna be doing a video on those planes in the upcoming video. Like this video if you want to see that. Don't forget to exercise your mind, body, and soul. Subscribe to help change the world. If you're interested in joining my book club, check the description and sign up to get some more information on that. With that being said, thanks for tuning in. I love you all. Have a good one. Peace.